In this video, you will learn how you can validate your model against BPMN errors. Click on Validate. Choose between validating against all categories, or specific ones, such as BPMN syntax, BPM best practice, methodical validation, etc. Adonis will check for errors and warnings in the background and represent the results in the sidebar. Errors and warnings will appear sorted by categories. Tick your to-dos once you went through them to make sure you don't need to make any changes. Make sure to read the warnings and correct any mistakes you might have made. In this case, a mandatory field was not filled out. Clicking on the link will take you directly to the notebook, where you can fix this error. Click here to read more information about a specific field. Fill in the mandatory field. Don't forget to save your changes. Perform the validation again and see if the model is now ready for release and publication. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.